Hello dear Scorpios, welcome back to my channel, and this is your reading for the month of October 2021. So let's begin shuffling. Those who are new to my channel, please note, okay, first card, that this reading is directly from the book of Nostradamus. So I'll be referring to Nostradamus, the major prophet, the famous prophet of the 15th century. Second week, okay. Third week, fourth week, and the fifth week. Okay. You have choices in love, I can see. First week, second week. Third week, fourth week, fifth week. Okay. The first week has the Two of Suns and the Three of Spheres. This is the book of Nostradamus. Let's see what Nostradamus has to say about you. Three of Spheres. I feel that work-wise your life is going good. You know, you are getting a lot of importance, you are getting a lot of distinction, your achievements are great. But at the same time, because of that you are becoming overbold and you're becoming very proud, and that's why you're getting into quarrels with your people, with your colleagues, with your bosses, you know, people of higher authority. I guess because sometimes when we get a lot of importance at work, and when we think that we're achieving or maybe getting awards and something like that, it gets to a head. You are being very short tempered in your first week, and it says that you have to take care of that, because otherwise you'll get into fights with people of power, you know, maybe your bosses or somebody you're not supposed to get into trouble with. So be careful about that. Let's get to your second week, where we have the Moon and the Postulant. Let's see what Nostradamus has to say about that. Let me see. Yeah. I feel that you're being very impulsive, you know, you're being very short tempered, you're being very impulsive also, and there's somebody around you who's very quick to make decisions. I feel that you're going for an advice to your friend or colleague, and they're very quick. So sometimes, you know, I feel that they are not giving you the right advice. They're giving you a quick advice. You go to them and they tell you what to do, but they're not giving you the right advice, because the Moon here is a card of deception. So somebody is not being true to you. Maybe they are giving you wrong advice, so you have to be careful. Okay, maybe they're only telling you what you want to hear and not the truth and not what is right for you. So this is definitely a card of deception. Somebody is not being true to you, so you have to be careful about that. Somebody is very quick at making decisions. Either that's you who's giving a quick advice, but I feel that somebody is giving you a quick advice and that advice is not right. There are hidden influences, you know, maybe they are giving you an advice based on what they want. Maybe they want something out of it. Maybe they're not your well-wishers or friends. You have to be wary of that. Some of you might be getting dreams about something. Some kind of change is happening in your life, and you might be very intuitive around this time. The Moon is a card of intuitiveness and changes, and with the new moon coming in, this is a moon card. So definitely some of you might be getting dreams about, you know, something that is about to happen, you know. So there's a lot of thinking that's going on in your mind right now. Let's get to your third week, where we have the Four of Suns and the Six of Spheres. I see some sort of celebration happening, some sort of union happening. You are coming back home, you're being welcomed at home, maybe you are attending an event, You're also being very charitable. You are spending time with your closed ones around this time, spending maybe it's your friend's birthday, or something like that. In the third week, maybe you're close to your birthday, so you are celebrating with the closed ones, and being more charitable and very kind towards the people around you, or maybe trying to help somebody who is less fortunate than you are around this time. So definitely celebrations are happening, homecoming is happening. Let me clarify. More of Four of Suns, that rhymed. More of Four of Suns. Yeah, reunion sort of happening. So some of you are definitely reuniting with somebody, maybe your friends, and that's how you're celebrating. Some of you, if you guys were on a break, then some of you might be reuniting with your lover or ex or whoever. The fourth week is the Lovers, see, and the fifth week is the Five of Stars. So definitely I see that some of you might be connecting with your lover again, with your ex again. I see a lot of lust and passion in this picture. I also see that you have choices in love. So it's not just one lover, maybe you have more lovers in your life. And you have to make a choice. This is also a card which asks you to make a choice. Choose one, okay? You can't have both, or you can't have all. Because otherwise, if you don't make a decision, if you don't make the right choice, then you will lose something. If you make the wrong choice, I feel that you're about to make a wrong choice, and then you will lose out on something. There will be a lot of anxiety, misfortune, setback, humiliation. You might feel abandoned and neglected. I feel that if your partner had a choice between two people, then they are choosing the other person over you. I also feel that. I feel that this is your partner's this is your partner's card, and they had choices in love, and they have abandoned you, and that's why you feel neglected and abandoned, and you are very sad around this time. And if this is you making a choice, then I feel that you have made the wrong choice, and now you are suffering the consequences. Let's get to the last week though. We have the we have the 7, the Chariot card, and we have the 10 of Moons. I also saw the union happening, so I feel that maybe your ex came back. Sometimes what happens, they come back, we talk, we get to know that they're not going to choose us, and then they leave. Sometimes this sudden change is also happening, and I sense that something of that sort is happening to you, because we see that there are fights. Maybe these fights might be in your personal life. There are deception. Maybe your lover might be deceiving you, if I talk about your personal life. And I also see that you might be having a reunion, a very short reunion, where you realize that they are still cheating on you, and they are choosing the other person over you, and that's how you now found out about it, and you're very sad and you're in pain right now. We have the Chariot and the 10 of Moons. You're coming back home. I think now, if you guys were married, then you have left the home and you have come back to your own place. It's a card of coming back to your own people, who know you, who love you for who you are. So I feel that if you guys were married, you have left their house knowing that they are still cheating on you, and they have chosen the other party over you. Because see, this is a card of Chariot, this is a card of movement, okay? This is a card of direction. So you're moving away from them, I feel. You're moving away from your lover or cheater who was cheating on you. You're moving away from them, and you're going back home. You've left the house, you're leaving the house. This is also a card of conflict and a need for emotional control. You're in a lot of pain, Scorpios. I feel this person has cheated on you. They are choosing the other party over you. We're very sad, and you just decided to step out of this relationship, or step out and leave. If this was a live-in relationship, if this was a marriage, then you're leaving their house. You're moving out, because you have seen that they have not chosen you over the other person, and you're in a lot of pain. I can see that. I'm very sorry to say that, but this is what the card says. You know, the reunion that happened was very short-lived, because the moment they came, you found out that they're still cheating on you, and you decided to end this completely. Sorry, guys. This is what it is. I think the gist of this is that they're choosing the other party over you, and you found out about it. You're leaving them. Basically, you're leaving them. Eventually, I see this. I hope this reading helped you. Maybe after this reading, you will be more conscious of what they're doing to you. You will be more alert, and that's how maybe it will eventually help you to find the truth. Maybe I hope you resonate with it and take what is needed out of this reading. Okay, if you guys like this reading, please like and subscribe. Take very good care of yourselves, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.